Bonjour, Denaway Marganiduk. Bonjour. Greetings, my relatives. Ikizigwe Visants and Dishnakas. My name is Bald Eagle Boy, Makwa and Dame. I'm from the Bear Clan. Mikinakwa Jiu and Shinabe Shkuniganing in Dunji. And I'm from the Turtle Mountain Chippewa tribe. Nungum Kiwi Atisu Kamuninim. Today I want to tell you a legend. Miskwaadesi, Makwa, Gaye, Ishinikazo. It is called Red Painted Turtle and Bear. Ingudingi go babaza ge kwe como Miskwaadesi. Once upon a time, the red painted turtle was floating around with just his head sticking out of the water. Ogi wapaman asanin saya gebinet, and he seen a rock sticking out of the water. Misago ewedeka shot. So he went over there. Midashigo gaishi agwatat. And then he got out of the water. Basandekate. Ugijai sunning. He was sunning himself on top of the rock. Apichi mishakwatini. It was a very clear day. Apichi kishateni gaye. And it was very warm. Isako menwendang. Miskwaadesi. Apichiko. So the red painted turtle was very happy. Midashigo gaeshi. Gegapi gaeshi nabat. Eventually he fell asleep. Gomapigo, after a little while, Beishigo Katkaishi Pakobisenik. One of his legs fell in the water. Bloop! Ben way kamisenik. Bloop was the sound it made when it hit the water. Mitash Beishigo Onikaishi Pakobise Nig. Then one of his arms fell in the water. Bloop! And way kamisenik. That was the sound it made when it hit the water. Mitash Gakanakaishi Pakobiset. And then he fell in. Bloop! And way gamishing. That was the sound he made when he hit the water. Anami be gamachiset. And when he woke up underwater, be mushkamut, he came up out. Midashkayeshi. Ejate with the sleeping. So then he went over to the river and mi ema menwapandang. There he liked how it looked. Bimi chigakwanik. The woods along the shore. Misago gaishia guatat. So he got out, bimaja gamet, and was walking along the shore. Itash gaishi otetang mikanins. And then he came upon a path when mikanins, and he recognized what kind of path it was. Minangwana ewe makwa umikanani. Here it turned out to be a bear path. Misago gaishimata atut. So he set out on it. Bima atut, he is following it. Beisho dekoshing, when he got a little ways, gaishi wabandangego attaining. He seen something there. Meewe makomu, here it was bear poop. Misako oshigate. So he made his lodge. Gaigishigate, when he was done making his lodge, gaishi basang iwe makumu, he dried out that bear poop. Apichib basin and nig, and when it was completely dry, bishishikago minan, it was nothing but berries. Misago wiguasing ishiatut. So he put it in some birch bark. Mayamai an equation, and there under his pillow, he said it. put it away. Manimago later be dwe we someone could be heard coming. Be the papi one. They came and looked right inside. Minangwana away Makwa. Here it turned out to be that bear. Bindigan Odenan Miskwaadesi. Come in, the red painted turtle told him. Misago gate. Bindigan at Makwan. So sure enough the bear came in. Oki mami petuninyo. Pate minan Miskwaadesi. Miskwaadesi, the red painted turtle, he pulled out those dried berries. Gaye to Makwan, and then he gave them to the bear. Nah, here, Odenani says to him, but they mean it to me, Jian. Some dried berries for you to eat. Oh, Jim and went to moon Makwan Shamigut. He was very happy, that bear, to be fed. Gayeshi David Bedut new Minan as he grabbed those berries as she shakamut and he put them in his mouth as she get down, and he ate them all up. Gayeshi skandang, he ate them all, gulped them down. See kapetang. Mitash Gayeshi Kagwechamat Miskwaadesi one. Then he asked that red painted turtle, Miskwaadesi, red painted turtle, ande ga undenaman minan. Where did you get those berries? Miskwaadesi Odenan. And the red painted turtle told him, Wasa nupaming ani pekwa pekadenag minwa ani pekwa pekadenag. Far into the bush, across some rocky hills and some more rocky hills. Mis dashka ishikatota Makwa. And then the bear said, Ishinu motion. Point it to me. Misakoka saka amawat. So they went outside. Miskwaadesi ishinu amawati. Red painted turtle pointed to him. Every day, honey. Over there, where there's those rocky hills. Makwa. Right away, the bear took off. Migo gomapi kote koshing. And when he got a ways, Ashe matwe bipaki, he was heard hollering back. Mina Oma, is this the place? Obibagaman Miskwaadesi, and the red painted turtle yells to him, Gaye, no, awas anipekwapekadanag, on the other side of those rocky hills, further. Papigaminoa animajat Makwa, and the bear took off again. Gomapi tekoshing, and after a while he got there. Ashe Matoe Bipagi, you could be heard hollering back. Miskwaadesi Mina Oma, red painted turtle, is this the place? Miskwaadesi Dasheshe Bipagamat, and then the red painted turtle hollers to him, Makwa, Gimu Gigimi Jen. Bear, you ate your poop. Nikok noon tacos at Makwa. The bear could be heard just loud. Pechinish God is it, and he was so mad, guys. She machipatut biminisha what Miskwaadesi one. And he took off running, chasing that red painted turtle. Miskwaadesi, Gaye ween, any cookeshe, machat, si bing, any shot. And that red painted turtle, he took off, headed towards the river. Beshwapandang si bing, right when he was getting close to the river, ashi gitwewe ya bakoshing, he slipped and rolled on his shell. Genwange Emma Banaway, and for a long time he was stuck there. Any Beshua Yanit Makwan, and the bear was getting closer. Wikago unshkapatu. After a while he He jumped up a knobbit, and when he looked back, Beshupi ayan at the Makwan. The bear was getting close. Misoko Kaishi Pakupi Kwashkwan at Miskwaadesi. So the red painted turtle jumped into the water. Minjim Miko Shikwa Takoshin Makwa. Right when the bear got there, Dan Dukami Biganat. He was searching in the water, feeling for him. Kaishi Te Bibinat, and he grabbed him. Kaishi Bisipinat, and he pulled him apart. Aishi Apaginat Misiwe. Squatesi one, and he threw him all over the place, that red painted turtle. Mitashkaishi Kikatot Makwa, and then the bear spoke. Kikato, he says, "Oh, Gawin, Ween, Wawiash, and Banuitu Tawasi. I'm not incapable of playing a trick on somebody." Mitashkaishi Majat, and then he left. Banima go minawa papa sake kwegomot Miskwaadesi sa kaikaning. And later again, that red painted turtle was floating around in the lake, just his head sticking out. Mitashigo Makwa be matabit owabaman. And then the bear came down to the water and he saw him. Makwa Baba Mahashagamit. The bear was walking along around the shore there. And Miskwaadesi named him Ho, and the red painted turtle thought, a piggish tobacco beetao. Hope he comes into the water. Beisho and Ma Yani Minis Saints. There close by there was a little island. In the middle of the lake. And me and Ma Omimig and kitchen Nanun Takusiwak. And there were some doves. They were making a big racket. Noon Dawat Makwa, and when the bear heard them and aimed them, he thought, me and Ma Ayani with to gain and Nil Minan. That must be where those berries are. Ganasikan, I'm gonna get them. Misago Gayeshi Bako beat. So he came into the water. Ashawa Ut Wapam Egut Miskwaadesi one. And when he was crossing by, he was seen by that red painted turtle. Miskwaadesi Dashki named him. And then the red painted turtle, he thought, a pagish Minda Doyan. I wish that I was huge. Misagoge Gate Gaishi Minda Dutta. Miskwaadesi. And sure enough, the red painted turtle just got huge. Mitashkaishi Mawinewat. Makwan Bimataganet. And then he charged that bear as he was swimming by. Gaijin Nawad Damat, and he grabbed him with his mouth. Gaiji Kuki Wa Unat, and he pulled him down into the water. Gaiji Kuki Wa Unat Gaishi Buko Wikanapina. And as he pulled him into the water, he broke his back. Mitash Gaiketu Nishinabe, and then the people said, Mi Iwenji Wakisit Makwa. That's why the bear's body is bent like that. Miga ina pinakopane Miskwaadesi one. That's how the red painted turtle had bent him. Mi il ekosit. That is the whole thing. Miskwaadesi Makwa Gaye. The red painted turtle and Makwa. Miigwech Bisinda make. Thank you all for listening. Mi il. The end.